If your home screen is missing manga apps, you're missing out. If you think Shonen Jump is just a leap, you need this list. And if you're still reading on your browser, you're doing it the hard way. First up, Viz Manga and Shonen Jump let you binge your shonen faves, think Naruto and One Piece, with official support for creators. Manga Plus by Shueisha? You get the latest chapters the same day as Japan, totally free. Want a Netflix for manga vibe? Try Mangamo, ad-free and packed with hits like Attack on Titan. Webtoon is your go-to for webcomics and spicy manhwa, while Crunchyroll manga is perfect if you're already streaming anime. For die-hard collectors, Bookwalker and Comixology offer massive digital bookshelves, including English light novels. Inker Comics gives you a buffet of manga and webtoons from the folks behind Manga Rock. Craving free and open source? Tachiomi and its forks are fan favorites. Just grab the APK from their website. Bonus tip? Got a library card? Check out Hoopla or Libby for free legit manga. Download one and dive in. Your next adventure is just a tap away.